Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I've been definitely at the end of a wave 3 ever since we had that Bank of Japan intervention about a month and a half ago. Definitely a 1, a 2, and a wave 3 in my opinion, which means that we are likely now going to be in a wave 4, which I would expect to make some sort of a three-way pullback, probably at least to the 50% before we do go up again for wave 5, which I do think eventually we are going to go back up, but I wouldn't expect that move up probably until at least spring of 2025. So going down to the weekly time frame, this is very likely only a wave A of wave 4, and we are back down into this territory where wave A normally does end. I still don't really think the wave A is over. I still think we need to make a wave 5, one more little push down before it goes up and makes a wave B, and then probably back down again for a wave C. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think it's a very clear this is a 1, 2, 3. If anything, we're probably just in a wave 4 right now, and eventually we will go down again, I think, for a wave 5. I think this 178.5 area is going to be a really likely place for this to end a wave A of wave 4. So keeping all this in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, if anything, we're probably just in a wave 4 right now. This is probably an A, B, C of wave 4 that's forming now. And if you are a very short time frame trader, then you definitely probably could get a little bit of a long out of this. I personally am not a short time frame trader, so I am going to patiently wait for another short to go short again for the wave 5. Probably at least down to the 178 area. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. Very clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. Most likely a wave A. This is most likely already in a crescent to the wave A, which is a wave B. I think it probably needs to go down a little bit further. Maybe the 61.8 is the more likely area for this to end up before it actually does turn back up for a wave C. Like I said, if you are a very short time frame trader, which I'm definitely not, then you definitely probably could go long at the end of a wave B if you can identify the end of that, and then you could get out of your long and go short again at the end of a wave C for the continuation of the downtrend. This is probably a wave 3, this is probably a wave 4, and a wave 5. I am a trend trader and I'm not a I'm definitely more of a swing trader, so I will patiently wait for the end of a crescent to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.